Good morning, y'all. Happy Vlogmas Day 3. Today, I uploaded the video from yesterday, which was the first. But y'all are not going to get that until today, which is the 2nd of December. So it should be Vlogmas Day 2, but it's only going to be Vlogmas Day 1 because my computer was acting crazy last night. And now, I got to get my jacket. Hold on, Wesleyan. Now we have to get some things ready. Hold on. Let me just... Hey, y'all. Happy Vlogmas Day 3. Day 3. The video I filmed yesterday for Vlogmas Day 1 didn't work, so y'all are getting that today. And we are going to take y'all with us. We are going to the landfill to take some stuff, like the carpet and stuff we ripped out of the house. And we got the cutest little girl here ever. Say hi. Hi. So she's going to go with us. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're going to take y'all with us. I got the cutest little cow and the cutest little goats. Hi, babies. That's my dolly girl. This is my Reda. Hey, Reddy. Dolly, come here. Dolly, why are you so stubborn? Hey, Bubba. Hey, Bubba. This is Waylon. Him's my smiling goat. Dolly. Dolly. Dolly, hey. Come here and get lovins. Come here and get scratches. Come and get scratches. Come get scratches. Come here and get scratches. Oh, you want scratches under the neck? Come here. Dolly. Okay, she's worried about what her daddy's doing over there with the dog. Come on. Alright, so that is all the stuff we're taking to the landfill. We're just gonna, we're cleaning up the yard some so that it will be better whenever we go to sell the house. So, alright, y'all are gonna come with us. Okay, y'all. You can't see me. That's good. Okay. So we were outside. Let's see if that's any better. Yeah, a little bit. We were outside helping Shannon to pick up the what is it called? I guess lawn trimmings from where he's cut the grass. And I ended up getting in an ant bed. So I legit had ants in my pants. So I had to come in the house and change while we're in here. I'm gonna go ahead and fix Miss Prissy a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So that's what we're doing. And then I'll show y'all outside. What, baby? Okay, give me a second and I'll get you some. Alright, so let me fix her sandwich and then we're gonna go outside on the front porch. Alright, y'all, while Shannon's outside picking up the rest of the I guess the lawn shavings, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, it's basically hay that is cut into like piles or whatever. Anyway, I wanted to show y'all a little hack that I've been doing. I have totes that had like different things on it from like Christmas and whatever. So instead of using those or getting rid of those and buying new ones, this works. I label everything with a Sharpie usually. So I'm gonna show y'all what I've done. Okay, so this is, you know, I had Christmas decor, mine, because I had it stored in my mom's house, or her shed, me and my sisters, and then I put what's in it. So instead of doing it that way, I'm taking all of the writing off of it, and I'm gonna do some, what do you call it? Anyway, I'm gonna do the labels, like the Cricut, whatever. My sister-in-law's got a Cricut, so I'm gonna get her to do some labels for me. So this is what I'm using. It's just $1 from Dollar General. That's not gonna focus. Anyway, all it is fingernail polish remover and a microfiber tile. Okay, so watch this. It's pretty dadgone neat. I'm trying to set y'all up so you can see it. That's not gonna work. Okay, I'm just gonna have to show y'all as I do it. Okay, can't use just one hand to open that. Okay, I'm trying not to spill this on the new floors. That would be really bad. Okay, so you get a little bit on your rag like that. And then you're just gonna, ooh, let me move that. Let's move that over here. Okay, so you just put it on your rag and you just erase it. I didn't think this one was gonna erase or come off because I guess I did it very, very dark. And some of it's still not coming off, so I'm just gonna do it a couple of times and show y'all what it looks like afterwards. So see, you can tell that that's coming off easily. Like, I'm not even putting any elbow grease on it. But yeah, look at there. So let me do this and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so it took a few tries to get that off, or a few times of doing it, but it came off. So and that's even the non-acetone. You can't, there it is. The non-acetone fingernail polish remover. It was $1. And that's much cheaper than buying new totes when I can just label these and they'll look really pretty. All right. Okay, y'all, so we are back. I had to go and take Wesleyan home, and also, that might work. Okay, so we had to go take Wesleyan back to her mom. And we had to go by the dollar store and Tractor Supply. We had to get some all stock, and we had to get some stuff to make supper. I have a hair on me. I don't know where it's at, but I'm fixing to wash the dishes so I can get spaghetti going. And Angela will be here in just a little bit. So, all right. I'm going to set y'all up so y'all can watch me do the dishes and cook. And if you don't like that, I'm sorry. This is just what Vlogmas is all about. Randomness. Alright, y'all, here we go. Now, if y'all see me moving my lips, I'm not just talking to myself, I'm singing, okay? also, I forgot to close out the video yesterday. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all tomorrow with another Vlogmas. Tomorrow's video is going to be a cleaning video, so come back for that. See ya.